Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be reviewing a new hair straightener, the Remington Shine Therapy infused with Moroccan argan oil. So I have been wanting a good straightener for a really long time. So I previously had this one, though it's working perfectly fine. This was the Philips Kera Shine one, and it's been like almost 6 years or something. I wanted to upgrade to a new straightener where I can control the temperature and have different settings as well. So I got this at Amazon Prime Day sale. So I got it at a good price, and the price and everything, all the details are linked that is in the description below. Let me open it then. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to open with you guys. So this is how it looks. So inside the box we have, wow, this kind of pouch for the straightener. We've also got this manual, how to use and all sorts of details. And now I'm just gonna get this one out. So it looks pretty good and quite heavy, but not so heavy, I would say, compared to my Philips one. It looks pretty beautiful. I love this blue color. So I can see there is a display here, and there is a power button, a plus and minus to control the temperature. So let me plug it in. So as you can see, the wire is pretty long, the wire and everything. So I just plugged it in and switched it on, and this is how it looks. I think there is a lock sign at the moment. So I'm just gonna put on the power button and see what it shows. At this moment, this is at 180 degrees temperature. You can control it from here, so I can increase the temperature, make it 200 degrees. And as you can see, this indicator is showing as it's now currently heating up. After it's done, it will make a beep sound. So my hair is pretty wavy, as you can see. So I'm just gonna run through this section one more time. So first impression is that it's pretty good. Like, it's not very heavy. It's quite lightweight. It's are wider, so accommodate a lot more hair in one go. So now I'm gonna try with this section of the hair. So I've taken a little bit more of my hair to see if it really works. Honestly, guys, I'm really impressed. So, alright, this is how it looks after I've done both sides, and pretty happy with the result. Took me, no, I'm not even kidding, it took me like less than 10 minutes or 15 minutes to do my entire hair. So I think it's definitely a 5-star rating from my side. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.